Welcome everyone to my World of Maths Assignment 2 presentation on a play-based activity in the early childhood years. The play-based activity I have chosen is dramatic play at a baker's shop. Children will role-play going to a bakery shop. It is aimed at 4 to 5-year-old preschool children. In this activity, the maths concept covered is number sense. Children will count cupcakes from 0 to 20, identify the concept of more and less, recognize the currency symbol of dollars, and count play money. This type of activity links to the early years learning framework and refers to outcome 4. Children are confident and involved learners. It focuses on the component 4.2. Children develop a variety of skills and processes such as problem solving, inquiry, experimentation, hypothesizing, researching and investigating. It also refers to outcome 5. Children are effective communicators and focuses on component 5.4. Children begin to understand how symbols and use symbols in play to represent and make meaning. For our dramatic play at the baker's, we first need to create the setting of a bakery shop, so that the children feel the sense of belonging, as the environment is a familiar one. More than likely they have already been to a bakery shop with their families. The materials required for this bake activity are a baker's hat, a cash register, cupcakes, play money, aprons, price tags and a bakery shop sign. Families could get involved by making the cupcakes at home with their children and bring them to kindergarten for the dramatic play. After having prepared the scene, each child is given a role to act, either a baker, a cashier, or customer. Children will begin to go to a bakery shop to buy cupcakes with play money. They will pretend to sell them. They will need to add money and give change. This is a fun activity to help children count, practice the concept of less and more, and subtract money. They will develop maths concepts and numeracy skills such as problem solving. Contemporary theories state that mathematical concepts and numeracy skills can be developed in early childhood years through play-based activities. From birth to 2, they explore the world using the 5 senses. They look, they touch, they smell, see, and hear. At this early stage, infants start to develop the maths concepts of size, weight, shape, time, and space through everyday experiences. During kindergarten years, from the ages of 3 to 5, children continue to explore new maths concepts, but they also start to apply them by using skills such as observation, reasoning, counting, recording, and organizing. Kindergarten children have an informal knowledge of maths, and it will become more formal, developed from basic concepts to more complex ones during primary school years. Play is a fun and motivating way to develop a variety of skills such as listening, speaking, describing, negotiating, problem solving, and evaluating by using their imagination. The element of play introduced to foster mathematical concept will allow children to see maths as a positive thing, which will have a positive impact on their future learning of maths. During this activity, the teacher will only get involved in the children's play to scaffold their learning, only if required. Children need to have the freedom to explore their existing knowledge and put it into practice. In other words, the role of the teacher is to facilitate them in exploring new things. Dramatic play is a great way to create a familiar environment for early childhood learners. They will feel secure and a sense of belonging, which will help facilitate their learning process. Children are actively involved in the learning process of acquiring mathematical concepts and problem-solving skills. This type of play-based activity is a fun and motivating way to develop numeracy skills because maths is used in real-life context, relevant to them. They have a hands-on experience. They role-play real-life people and situations, thus enhancing numeracy skills. This experience can also be extended with their families outside the side of class time. Thank you.